What's up guys, Garage Max out here. Today I'm going to be upgrading the front grille on the old dually. You can see the front end's had some better days. I started buying some parts, and over the next few videos we're going to get a few of these things resolved. The first thing that came in was a nice new grille. So that's what's going to be going on here first. And I bought this on Amazon. You can get them all over the place and they're not too expensive. You can kind of see this one, it's got some cracks all over, and this is just going to help fix some of that stuff. So I'm going to show you guys how to install it. It doesn't take too many tools, doesn't take too long. Should be pretty straightforward. Let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, so to take this off, I'm going to be using just these two tools. The first thing, you've got 4 Phillips head up here. I've seen some guys leave one in to hold the grill up, but I'll show you guys why here in a second. So we'll go ahead and remove these 4 first. You can see where the chrome color is starting to peel up on this one. So we got the 4 off the top. You can see it's kind of loose already. There's 4 clips underneath. I'll show you guys how to get to those. Okay, so you guys are gonna look along the bottom of the grill and you're gonna see 4 mounts. You can see that first one right there. And there are 4 others as you go across the bottom. And essentially what you wanna do is take your flathead screwdriver and push up on this and pull out on the bottom of the grill. And it's clipped into place right now. When you push up on this and you pull out, you're gonna feel the clip seat on the little lower ledge. And when you do that across the bottom of the grill, it'll allow you to pull it off. So pull so it's seated like that. Show you here. You can see it's no longer clipped into that little mount, and do that across the bottom, across all 4, and then you'll be able to pull the grill off. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom out and I'll do that so you guys can see. Okay, so there's a little bit of prep work that you need to do on your new grill. First of which is to remove this Ford emblem, and second is to remove these clips if you're going to be reusing them. So we'll flip it over, and you'll see here that the emblem is clipped into place on the back, and then you'll have these clips. Now if you get the grill from Amazon, it should come with all the new clips that you need right here. And we'll just install these brand new ones. So if your grill didn't come with them, you can reuse them, but it's always nice to have new clips. So we're gonna go ahead and do that on this grill. Okay, you guys will see that I didn't pry up on this because the way that this is situated, it's kind of pressed in there. And so if you just like stick this in here and pry, it's gonna break these. So you should be able to get them out just like I did without breaking it, just by kind of taking some spudgers or even a screwdriver really, and going around it easily to get it out of that mounting. And I want to reuse this because these are like 45 bucks. So this one's in pretty good condition. I'm going to clean it up real quick and then we'll mount it in the new grill, and then we'll go ahead and reinstall a new grill. Okay, Okay, I want to show you guys what I'm inspecting down here. Sorry, it's going to be a little shaky. I'm just inspecting these clips to make sure that they're bottomed out in here. So just make sure that you don't have any that are sticking up. It's kind of tough to get them on. Anytime you're dealing with reproduction parts, you just want to do your own little kind of quality control. So it looks like we're flush. So we're going to go ahead and get started on reinstalling. Okay, now I'm just going to install kind of in the reverse. So I'm going to line these up on the bottom and start to push them in. I want to make sure it's fully lined up down here before I go pushing on it. And essentially, it's going to be, mine is a little bit high. There we go. You just want to. Okay. Good. Okay, great. So now we got the clips in, and then I'm going to put the screws up top. Okay, so I want to show you guys a couple of those quality control things I was talking about. So we've lined up all the holes, but as you can see, this is not in the right place. So I'm gonna have to mess with that a little bit. We can check down here. You can see this one is not clipped in, but the other ones are clipped in. So we're gonna have a little bit of finagling to get those in here. Okay guys, so we are installed. I hope this video helps some folks, or maybe gives you the courage to go do it on your own rather than putting it off. Obviously the front of this truck needs a lot more attention. I've got a bunch of other parts on order, so as soon as they come in, I'll be doing videos on that. So we've got some headlights coming in. We've got a new bumper that's actually already here, but the valance, there's two valance covers down here. This is a valance and an air dam, and those are on order. As soon as that stuff comes in, we'll finish giving the dually her glow up. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.